It is connected now. This right here, they kind of, but it doesn't fit over my sink. So I don't want it to pop out and have water draining on the floor. So I just stick it through my little laundry detergent thing, and that works for me. Okay. Inside, pretty decent. Trying to do this one-handed sucks. So just load some clothes, a couple of tops, pajamas, sweater, small towel, some socks in there, and another shirt. And that's basically it. Yeah, so then you just add your laundry detergent. Doesn't take a lot because this isn't a really big washing machine. I've seen a lot of people use those laundry tablets that you would use in your regular washing machine, but that's way too much soap for such a small unit. So close it up and turn your water on. Water's on. So now all I gotta do is just hit the power button. It's got water levels, low, medium, and high. Set that to the water level you want. I'm gonna set it to high. Then you just push start. And whenever you hear it, let me open it up for you. You see the water coming out. I'll show you when it starts. I'm gonna put you on pause. Oops, sorry. So you can hear it going. Quite a bit of rain in there. Yeah, you can see it starting to drain now. I know this is gonna be a horrible video, but you get the gist. But it helps having that screen on it. Try to show you the spinning. It's gonna stop, but that's alright. You can see. There it is, coming out. Look at that stuff. As you're wondering, move the thing up on the counter here. That way the handle can just hook through it. Got that extra little drain, just protecting my sink.
This is my Giantex washer. You see, I have it hooked up to my sink because I don't have a full-size washer outlet. I just turn on the cold water, push power, and start. Put your laundry detergent in at the beginning of the cycle. And you see it automatically sets. Add your dirty laundry. Close and wash. It's very handy if you live in an apartment with no washer dryer hookup.